Ocean Breeze Hotel Residencies, Negambo. Live in a hotel. Negambo is a scenic coastal town located just a few minutes away from the Bandaranaike International Airport. Just 30 minutes away from the capital of Colombo, accessed with ease via the Colombo-Kadunayake Expressway. It is one of Sri Lanka's most rapidly flourishing tourist destinations. This is because at the heart of Negambo lies a vibrant culture and commerce, which is now to be epitomized by its latest attraction, the Ocean Breeze Hotel Residencies. The Ocean Breeze Hotel Residencies is set to unveil unparalleled holiday experiences with the ultimate blend of style, comfort, and luxury, culminating in 196 elegantly designed studio, 1 and 2 bedroom living spaces. All our abodes pay homage to the grace and sophistication of 21st century architecture, bringing to life the idyllic and spectacular beachfront location which embraces our property. In addition to the exquisite ownership experience, guests can also enjoy a thoughtfully curated collection of world-class amenities with access to acclaimed dining options, sumptuous spa, state-of-the-art fitness center, rooftop pool, around-the-clock uncompromising security plan, exclusive clubhouse, salon and laundry, amongst a mosaic of other conveniences. But that's not all. The Ocean Breeze Hotel Residencies is also a lucrative investment. Live in a hotel. Live in Ocean Breeze Hotel Residencies. Call us today on 0768 787878 to find out more.